How to cut video in Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can cut videos in Instagram stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are trying to cut a video inside Instagram story, unfortunately that is not possible. So even if you have a certain video in this case and you're trying to cut that video from inside here, you can see Instagram's feature does not actually have an editing option here where you can choose to trim down the video. So instead what you have to do is you have to use a third-party app to trim and cut it. In this case I'm using one of the most recommended InShot application, which is available on Play Store and App Store. Download InShot and simply choose the media that you maybe want to trim. Then once you've done that, you can simply select a certain part that you want to trim, and then you can just hit the split option here. So look for split and then hit split. Go to another section, hit split and select the unnecessary part here, and then just select the delete option from here, right? So select the unnecessary part, hit the delete button, and that part will get deleted. Now after you trim that necessary portion, now you can tap and save, and now you can upload this new video to your Instagram instead. So hope this video helped you as to how you can cut video in Instagram story. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.